Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate you how to create the project structure for ASP.NET Core Web API. So first open the Visual Studio, click on the create new project, click on the blank solution. You can find the blank solution from here. Click on the next button. Give the blank solution name. So I will give you my app. Click on create button. So as you can see, the blank solution explorer is created. Right click, add new project, add ASP.NET Core Web API project, or you can select from here. Click on the next button, give the name my app.api. Click on the next button, click on the next create. Now add one more project for model. So click add new project. Use class library project for model. My app.model. Click on the next button, create. Add one more project for data. My app.data. Click on the next button. Add one more project for services. Next, my app interface services. Create. Add one more project for implementing the services. Add one more project for repository. My app. Add one more project for repository interface. As you can see, I have created a 7 different projects for 7 different layers because I have to keep each layer separately. Okay, so in next video I will show you how to create the model. Thank you for watching this video.